how to use a referral code on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can use a referral code on Temu app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to use a referral code on the Temu app, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Temu application here. Once you launch the Temu app, you're going to see this type of interface. Then once you come to this type of interface, what you want to do is you want to just tap the U option over here. Once you tap the U option over here, you're going to see this interface again, where you just want to go to coupons and offers option. When you go to coupons and offers, you can see it says you to enter coupon code. Now this works not only for coupon code but any of the referral code or promo code that you might have. If you have any sort of code, just make sure to enter them, tap the apply button, and then you have successfully used your referral code. This way you can use referral code on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.